poison. Let's have a look at understanding food poisoning. One of the most fundamental parts of food safety is avoiding food poisoning and ensuring that the food we present to our guests is completely safe and will not make them ill. Fortunately, food poisoning is completely avoidable and preventable if you follow good hygienic food practices. Food poisoning is an illness with a number of different symptoms. Firstly, it could be abdominal pain, where the pain is in the middle section of your body. Secondly, it could be diarrhea, or where you have a runny stomach. Thirdly, it could be a fever, where you have a very high temperature. Fourth, could be dehydration, or a lack of fluids in the body. And finally, it could be nausea and vomiting. People get food poisoning by eating unsafe food. Food poisoning usually develops within 1 to 36 hours after eating food contaminated by food poisoning bacteria, and it can last for up to 7 days. Most cases of food poisoning cause mild stomach upset, but severe cases can even result in death, which is why it is so important that you do everything you can to prevent food poisoning. Some people are also particularly at risk of food poisoning, such as elderly people, pregnant women, children, sick people, and the destitute. It's very important that we understand our role in preventing food poisoning, and this is the whole purpose of great food hygiene at our establishment. Guests come to visit our establishment to have a wonderful time, and often on holiday. So imagine if we take shortcuts when preparing their food and it results in them getting sick for 5 days. This could ruin their whole holiday, and just shows how important that great food hygiene in our kitchen is.